Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Schlage Encode Smart Lock with Z-Wave integration step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Schlage Encode Smart Lock from the box. Locate the key components, the lock, the mounting plate, and the user manual. Make sure you have 4 AA batteries ready, as they will be needed for installation. Next, ensure your door is compatible with the Schlage Encode Smart Lock. It should be a standard door, either left or right hand swinging. Remove the existing deadbolt by unscrewing the mounting screws on the inside of the door. Take the new mounting plate and align it with the holes of the existing deadbolt. Secure the mounting plate using the provided screws. Next, take the smart lock and insert it into the mounting plate. Make sure the bolt is in the retracted position for a smooth fit. Once the lock is in place, secure it using the screws provided in the package. Now it's time to install the batteries. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the smart lock. Insert the 4 AA batteries, ensuring they are positioned correctly. Test the lock by turning the thumb turn to check for smooth operation. Proceed to download the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Create an account or log into your existing account on the app. From the app, follow the prompts to add a new device. Choose the option for Schlage Encode to start the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your lock to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter your Wi-Fi credentials accurately. Once connected, the app will indicate when pairing is successful. Now, let's set up Z-Wave integration. Ensure you have a compatible Z-Wave hub installed in your home. Open your Z-Wave Hubs app and navigate to the device pairing section. On the Schlage Encode lock, locate the Z-Wave pairing button. Press and hold the pairing button until the lock indicates it is in pairing mode. Your Z-Wave hub should detect the smart lock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.